Distinguished guests, esteemed alumni and friends. I am Ashwini.
I am Mohammed Anaish and I am Manya Jain.
We extend a warm welcome to you all to this segment of the annual event of Billabong High International School Bhopal 2025-26. This evening is special in many ways. Annual events are a yearly feature, but this year we celebrate a remarkable milestone. 20 glorious years of our school's unwavering commitment to nurturing a value-based community of globally competent lifelong learners skilled to lead change.
Over the past 2 decades, Billabong High International School has grown, evolved and thrived, shaping young minds and nurturing a culture of innovation, creativity and excellence. But beyond academics, we have always believed in educating the heart as much as the mind. Our focus has been on nurturing compassionate, empathetic and responsible global citizens, individuals who leave a positive and enduring impact on the world around them.
To honor this belief in a truly meaningful way, we chose a unique way to celebrate our school's 20th birthday this year. On 4th April, exactly 20 years ago, this beautiful institution began its inspiring journey here in the city of lakes, Bhopal. To commemorate each of these 2 decades, we undertook 20 acts of kindness, a heartfelt initiative designed to spread smiles and joy far beyond the 4 walls of our campus.
Students from grades 1 to 12 each contributed a heartfelt act of kindness, wrapping the school community in compassion and gratitude. Grade 1 cleaned their surroundings, showing gratitude to our support staff, while grades 2 and 3 made seed balls for a greener future. Grade 4 recycled waste paper to spread the message that every tree saved is a step towards protecting our planet. And students of grade 5 made greeting cards with heartfelt notes of gratitude for their teachers who guide, support and mentor us each day. Grade 6 crafted bird feeders, making a solemn promise to not let our fellow friends go hungry. And grade 7 served the traditional pangat meal to our transport staff, experiencing the joy of selfless service. Grade 8 designed learning aids for a nearby school, creating simple yet effective resources to support the learning of students who have limited access to educational materials. Grades 9 to 12 stepped out of the school and visited underserved communities, including old age homes, shelters, hospitals and care centers, spreading love and acceptance. They spread the message of kindness through open mics and storytelling sessions, promoting the school's stand against bullying. Grade 12 concluded the initiative by staging a street play at New Market on the importance of protecting the environment and distributed saplings to the shop owners. This was a deeply rewarding way to mark the day. For the joy our students created through their acts of service spread far beyond themselves and into the wider community. Inspired by the kindness we have witnessed and the spirit of walking beside one another, we continue our journey through tonight's vibrant showcases.
There is a lot happening in other areas of the school campus this evening. At the plaza, our young Makerspace club members are presenting Makerspace Magic, showcasing their annual projects, each one a testament to imagination, innovation and inspired learning. After you have enjoyed the athletic show, we invite you to pause at the plaza for a short brush with technology and congratulate our budding young innovators on the successful completion of their projects.
The attractions for the evening don't just end there. We have a grand art experience on the offer for our parents tonight. Whether it is the Artscape, our art gallery displaying artwork of our young artists, or the art station featuring 7 interactive art stalls, offering a unique and immersive artistic experience. There is something to interest each one of you present here tonight. Adding further to this creative journey, we are delighted to present the Canvas of Kindness, a participatory art experience where each of you is welcome to paint a small part of a shared canvas. The objective is to highlight how every individual contribution, no matter how small, adds meaning to a collective effort. When completed, the artwork will serve as a powerful symbol of empathy, unity, and shared kindness that defines our school community. Do not forget to stop by at the Canvas of Kindness, whether it is to paint a small segment or just to admire this collaborative art in the making. No celebration is ever complete without good food, dear parents. To delight your taste buds, we have for you a vibrant food court, offering a multitude of options and a truly delectable culinary experience. We encourage you to wrap up your evening with a stop at the food court because a memorable event deserves a flavorful finish. Dear guests, as we gather for today's event, the lighting of the torch marks the beginning of celebration, of effort, unity, and sportsmanship. May this flame inspire every participant to strive for excellence and every supporter to cheer with pride. We now invite Ashish sir to